I think they usually do it on this computer, but you don't have to do that. You can do it on your computer if you want. So let's see. We saved it and OTN data 2023. This one. Just copy. Paste it here. We're also gonna need manual integrations. If we had hits, we would need to do overlays, if you're familiar with that. And then let's also get that raw data.
The raw data.
Yeah, I
And
think
how you get it?
I think it's this all analyte report and this.
Chromatogram.
Yeah. I'm just gonna save it straight into this. And we also need
Calibration report.
Cell file.
It's just one file.
I think so. Let's see. Where did I save it?
I don't know.
Oh, whoops. I think I didn't save it in the right
And-
spot.
Sport. Okay.
Oh,
Already. It was there. So it's just one file. I don't see.
I also don't see it.
Mm-hmm.
Whoops. Maybe we don't need it.
You think so? You need the.
It's probably in here. Oh, that's why. It saved it as this.
As 10 p.m. standard calibration. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Because it has this page. It has all the calibration curves for each analyte. MBT, TPRT, DBT, TBT, and then the 3.
And it saved as 10 ppm standard.
Yeah, I mean, this could be any of the samples because they all have the same curve.
Oh.
But it overwrote.
Or
this
it can
one.
be in any.
Yeah, I think it's already in every
have.
single one. Oh, no, it's not.
No.
Okay. So, I'm just gonna rename this. It's Cal.
Cool.
But I need that OTIN 10 again. Because it accidentally overrode it.
Okay.
Okay, should be good.
So you need the injection time
Yeah, it's...
sheet.
You're right. That one's a little tricky, I believe.
Injection line.
I don't know. I forget how to do
I
that.
just print screen from this in the office because it has the injection time is here. So I just copy print screen that and I report that way
Yeah.
and but I'm not sure if here is
I think there's an
different
here.
because in office they don't have different way to do that.
Injections.
Injection is, and also the how can you do that?
Okay.
So print out.
So right now, what did I do?
You did.
I don't know if
print-
this is how to do it. Let me see. So from the regular Chromeleon console, I went into Chromeleon Studio, where you process the data. Then I went to injection list, and then here's where I will
print
print.
to see if it's appear.
Yeah, let's see if this works. It did not, so I think we just have to select all our samples.
Maybe, yeah, porque
Yeah.
you only select one.
Okay.
Now repeat the same. You can check it's works.
thought it was gonna pop
yeah,
up.
that's good. That's
Looks
that's the
good.
sequence. Good. And then you need to GC parameters. No?
Parameters?
Yeah. I report that. GC parameters.
I don't think we need to.
Oh, okay. Then what else?
It's a little smaller, so it all fits on one page.
Calibration curve and everything it's in the other files that you
Yeah, we
already
just
did.
did that one.
Calibration curve.
Yeah.
And okay, what else?
There we go. All fits on one page now. Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
So let's copy that.
Batch manifests you do with
That should be on limbs. Do we need this? I don't think we need this. I think we don't need that. So, alright. I think we're good here. Okay, we got USB drive. Whoa.
What happened? No.
What's happening? Uh-oh.
It's not working.
It like really shows if it passes or not. Perfect.
Work.
So let's get that macro.
Where you call this? Offset?
Oh no, that one's mine. I used that to get to this folder.
Oh.
This is called OTIN macro WW.
Okay. It's pesticides.
Yep, pesticides, e-reports.
Macro master. Okay.
Is it opening? Alright.
You need to cut and paste, or how you put that information here?
We filled this out. Okay, so entry sheets folder. Okay. So we need the name of the data file. So that would just be this name here.
Mm-hmm.
OTIN 25 ppb ICV second source. So that matches.
Mm-hmm.
The batch. Do we have a batch number for these?
Yeah. It's 23 TBT. It's 21.
21. Okay. This looks wrong.
This.
Because. So it's set up to do it in the C drive.
Yeah, you need to put this in the C.
Looks like it. So. I guess I'll just make this.
You need to put in the C, I think so, because when you report the files, you report this address in the evaluation report. You need to put this.
So C drive OTIN data 23. Interesting. It says it's just in this folder. So that's where I'll make it match.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. There we go.
Oh,
So now
it's in the C.
it is where it's asking for it. And then this is the entry sheets folder.
C
So
E.
So it's where the entry sheet will go once the macro is run. So I need to make this a real place. So it says E drive, new folder, it's called 23303 TBC. Oh, no backslashes, that's right. That's just the batch name. Then there's a entry sheets folder, lowercase. And then, so yeah, that's where it will go. So this is where the data is, and this is where it will go. So I think everything's filled out. This.
And
So those two don't change.
This is only because we are using the USB. But if we are doing in different computer, you don't need to do this.
No, you pretty much always need
Or
to do this.
you're going to sharing this?
Because there's two files. There's the file that has all the data, and you need to make sure
Where?
that this macro is looking at the right file.
Mm-hmm.
And then it spits out another file.
Place.
And so you have to set where you want it to go.
Okay. Yeah.
So
I got it. Gotcha.
You just do that once, and then the rest of the time you just edit this data file name, which is the name of your sample,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have to edit this based off the last OTIN 25 ppb
Uh-huh.
or the most recent CV.
Okay.
So for the ICV, this will always be the 25 standard.
Mm-hmm.
And then for any CVs, it will be the 25 standard. But for any samples, so let's go back to our samples. Where is that? Our samples are C drive, right?
Yeah, it's here. It's the same.
Where's the C drive? C drive, OTIN, data, 2023.
The original.
Okay. Yeah. So these are all the names of our samples. So we'll start with this one. This is the first one.
Mm-hmm. So
We
you
need to
hit also Control C.
Control, I forget what it is.
Control C?
Developer. Let me look. Is it this one? Is it that one? Microchip? Which one is it? I don't know which one
It's
it
not.
is.
It's not the same.
Let me see. Microchip, corner. So it's not that one. Control Q.
Oh, it's not C. It's Q. Control Q.
Yeah, because Control Z is not good.
It's different. It's not opposite.
Wait, it doesn't look like.
So
That's
Control
right.
Q.
Right.
Control. What's that? Because
Oh, I
it is-
didn't enable. Okay. So let's save.
Save it. Start.
Let's go back. So that's the pesticides, e-report, macromasters. Let's open it and enable macro.
Two
Huh? What?
files. Do you need two files, or you are looking for a different file?
No, that's just. It says that macros aren't enabled for some reason.
Could you try again?
Because of your security.
Because you have these other macros. You?
Let's try this. Copy. Paste. There we go. And now we can enable
But the other
macros.
doesn't show that.
Yeah, I
that
guess
yellow.
it's just for security so that we don't mess up that macro. So now we can press Control Q. Maybe. What's happening? What's happening? Control Q. That should
2001.
What's happening?
Start. It is everything. It doesn't show something in the files, addresses. Phone stream.